If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and subscribe, and share it so that more people discover it.
What's your problem, yo? Exit! Whoa!
Are you okay? What happened? Was he turning?
Yeah, he left turned right in front of this guy and he basically ran the red light.
Make sure they're okay, please.
Yeah.
Hazards. I don't know where they are. Make sure they're okay.
If I gave you my hand, would you take it and make me the happiest man in the world? If I told you I made it without you, girl, finding me.
Holy shit.
Like smarmy, condescending, and feline, right? You just see it like pumping with cortisol. And this is the old, Scott Jennings, like worked in the Bush administration and everything. And okay, so let's go ahead and check and see here. What feline, right? You just see it like pumping with cortisol. And this is the old, Scott Jennings, like worked in the Bush administration and everything. And okay, so let's go ahead and check and see here. What do they get your
as a candidate, you try to maximize your opportunities. So, now you have the opportunity to also use AI to make your answers better and make it resonate with what the employer wants. So, obviously, candidates are going to use that, and that is met by employers who want to hire the best fitting candidates. And
all right, thank you. Bye. Whoa. Oh.
Construction of that project, saying it requires congressional approval, among many other things. So you can bet that this incident and President Trump's comments will manipulate bring new focus on that legal battle.
Certainly not the last we'll hear about that ballroom. Some very serious assassinations is consuming.
Oh, someone's getting busted. Ready, invited.
Maybe kisses on